So after doing my review of the paper-like iPad screen protector, ooh, look at this, I like these colors. I got a lot of comments and questions about how fast it wears down the tip of the Apple Pencil. And that got me thinking about the Apple Pencil tip replacement packs and how much they actually cost. And to be honest, I hadn't really thought about it. Back when I used to use a Wacom Cintiq, I used the Cintiq felt tip nibs, and those would wear down like crazy. So I was used to going through those a lot. So I never really thought of the Apple Pencil tips wearing quickly because it wasn't anywhere near as fast as the felt tip nibs. I've definitely worn through my share of Apple Pencil tips because I've been using an iPad for a really long time at this point. But they come in a 4-pack, and I usually just have some in my drawer, so I didn't even really remember how much they cost because by the time I need to order them again, it's been a while. So I just looked it up. They cost about $20 for 4 pencil tips. Now I guess that's kind of a lot if you go through them quickly. Some people may go through them faster than me because maybe they push harder when they draw. I know there's some people who push really hard and that could wear them down quickly. And if you're one of those people, $20 can be a pain in the ass. So I decided to order a set of these generic ones on Amazon. So the ones I ordered are by Timovo, and they come in a 5-pack, and they only cost $9.99. So you get an extra pencil tip, and it's half the price of the Apple ones. And they come in colors. You can also get them in white. So it's cool that they're cheaper and you get more of them, but are they actually as good, or do they feel kind of crappy? In this video, I'm gonna figure that out. And then we can find out if the Apple Pencil tips are actually worth the extra $10. Actually more than $10 because again, you're getting less. All right, let's get into it. Let's look at these Timovo Apple Pencil replacement tips. So they came in this little Ziploc bag. You can see it says Timovo. Just really nice branding here. They really went above and beyond on the packaging. I'm just kidding. But hey, we're saving half the price. So if they want to cheap out on the packaging, that is okay with me. So I'm gonna open up this little baggie. Very little baggie. And then, all right, we just got some willy-nilly tips in here. These are the nibs. So they look like the Apple Pencil nibs. It's a purple one, pretty neat. Let me do a little side-by-side with the Apple Pencil tip and we can see how they hold up. Let me find a freshie and I'll get back to you. All right, I'm back. I got the last of my replacement official Apple Pencil tips. So I'm gonna take this one out. We'll do a little side-by-side action and see how they look before they're even on the pencil. So these Apple Pencil tip packaging is a little bit more complicated. So I gotta pull this little seal action here. And then we do a little dump out. They look the same. There's more of a groove, like more of an indent on the Apple Pencil tip. See how on the black one, there's a lot less of an indent there? I'm not sure how that will affect the connection, but we'll put it on the Apple Pencil and see how secure they are. So let's do that. The tip on here is the one that I have been using since I did my paper-like iPad screen protector cover review video. I think that was a few weeks ago. I'm gonna put a note right here that says exactly how long it's been. This tip has a little bit of wear, a little bit of like a mild flat spot. I haven't noticed any difference in how it feels. I wouldn't use this to compare. Oh, there's definitely a flat spot. I'm gonna unscrew this one. So let's screw on the Timovo tip. Screwed on nicely, seems fine. No issues there. It's kind of cool having a different color tip on here. I'm not used to that. I think it sort of actually makes it look more like a toy at this point. I don't know. I think I like it all one color, but these are not issues. You could still get these in white, so I don't know why I'm even talking about it. But it's secure. There's no wiggle, there's no wobble. Things are good. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to draw. So that's gonna be the important point. So what I've discovered from analyzing in this scientific approach is that everything's good. The drawing is gonna be the main thing. So we'll go do that. I'm gonna see you at my iPad shortly. All right, so I'm at my iPad. Got my Apple Pencil And I got 2 fresh tips right here. First one is a brand new Apple brand Apple Pencil tip replacement. I'm gonna put that on so that we're doing fresh to fresh, because the one I have on, as I mentioned, has a little bit of a flat spot. Do some line work to see how it feels. Do all right. Freshy. Feeling pretty good, no issues. Obviously, because I use this all the time, and it's the actual Apple Pencil tip, so what else would you expect from it? It's perfect. All right, so we got a feel. That's all I really needed. Unscrew this one, and then we will put on the generic one in the black color. Maybe I should do the same thing again. I don't know if I could tell a difference. I think that's probably a good thing for all of us. I wonder if there's any downside. Let's see if there's like good pressure control. Yeah, I mean, doesn't seem to be any degree of compromise in terms of the pressure feel. Quick little taps are fine. Doesn't seem like it's changing the reaction speed. It doesn't feel any different. Let me grab another one in a different color and see if maybe the colors feel any different, just for science. Put the pink one on. Yeah, I can't tell the difference. It doesn't feel. Doesn't feel better or worse. If you swapped in a Tomovo Apple Pencil tip replacement and you didn't tell me, I couldn't tell. So I would say this is good news if you were thinking about getting a paper textured iPad screen protector, but you're worried about wearing through Apple Pencil tips, because you can get 5 of these for half the price of 4 Apple replacement tips. And you can get them on Amazon, and they're like 1-day shipping. So hope that's helpful. All right, good talk.